Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to start from your question number 11. There is three questions are remaining. So in that question number 11, if the ratio of the base and the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is, I have made this a right angle triangle ABC, where B is a right angle 90 degree. This is a base, this one is a base, this one is a hypotenuse, and this one is a perpendicular. Okay. So in that in your question, let the base of right angle triangle is equal to 4x. Okay, ratio is given that 4:5, no. So in this case I have supposed that one the base of a right angle triangle is 4x and hypotenuse is equal to 5x. In that, because it is given in ratio, so we have to suppose it into a x. Okay, 5x. So we know this base is equal to 4x and this one is a 5x. Our aim is to find this perpendicular part. Okay, so by using Pythagoras theorem, by use of using a Pythagoras theorem, okay, by use of this Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, h is hypotenuse square is a base square plus perpendicular square. So our aim is to find this perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Okay, students, any problem? So hypotenuse is given that 5x square and this one is a base is a 4x square. So 5x square is 25x square, 4x square is 16x square. If you subtract this one, we get this 9x square is the perpendicular square. Now perpendicular is equal to root 9x square. If we take this square root of 9x, x square is x, 9, 3. So you will get this perpendicular 3x. Okay, perpendicular part you will get this 3x. So its perimeter is given. You know how to get this 3x, you know, 9x square. If you take the square root of 9, you will get 3, and the square root of x, because it is a pair of x into x. So you will get this x, 3x. Okay, and its unit is centimeter, so you will get this centimeter. Okay, here also if you want you can write this 5x and 4x and 5x centimeter. Now according to your question, perimeter of right angle triangle, we know that sum of all sides and it is equivalent to 48 centimeter. Okay, sum of all sides is equivalent to the 48. It is given in your question, students. Okay, so sum of all sides means that AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, so see this one, students. Here sum of all sides means that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 48. AB is 3x, BC is equal to 4x plus 5x is equal to 48. So 9, 10, 11, 12. 12x is equal to 48. Now x is equal to 48 by 12. If you divide this one, 4 centimeter is that value of x, that unknown quantity. We get this 4 centimeter. Okay, so I'm going to erase this part. Okay, so x is equal to, we got that 4 centimeter. So thus base is equal to 4x. So value of x, you know that 4 into 4, you will get this 16 centimeter. Perpendicular is equal to 3x. So 3 into 4, you will get this 12 centimeter. Okay, so we know that, and if you want, you can find that the hypotenuse also. 5 into 4, you will get this 20 centimeter. So what is asked in your question? Find its area. So after that, I am going to find the area of this part. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 base multiply by height. So in this case, 1 by 2, base is 16, height is 12. Okay, so multiply this one, 8, 12 8 is 96 centimeter square is the answer for this case. 96 centimeter square, students. Okay, so in question number 12, you will try that, students. Okay, in that question number 12, ABC is a right angle triangle. B is 90 degree for that first case. ABC, B is a 90 degree. So area of a triangle ABC, 1 by 2, 40 is multiplied by 9. Then you easily get that the area 180 centimeter square. The length of AC, you know that by using the Pythagoras theorem, you can find that the hypotenuse AC, and then from the opposite vertex of AC, we have drawn a perpendicular BD. So in this case, you can use the formula 1 by 2 AC multiplied by BD, and it is equivalent to the area of a triangle ABC. Okay, is equal to 180. From there, you can find that the length of BD also. Okay, AC, you can use the Pythagoras theorem to find that the length, and BD, you can use the areas formula to find that the length of BD. Okay, now see this question number 13, students. Question number 13. See this question number 13, first part, students. Okay, this is a 90 degree, this is A, this one is B, and this one is C. This one is given that 15, this one is 8, and if you want, you can write this name D and E. This is also perpendicular and 4 centimeter. So find the area of this shaded region. This region is shaded. And if you want, you can change this question like that. A, B, and this one is C. Okay, so in that AB is 8 centimeter. This is and BC is not given. AC is given that 15 centimeter. Okay, and on B, that one perpendicular BC, just opposite of the vertex of this one, so its figure is like that, and this point is T and this one is E. This is 90 degree and 4 centimeter. So this is the shaded region, students, also. Okay, so from total area, if we remove the area of this portion, then we get that the area of a shaded region, students. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. In that, base is equal to 8 centimeter and perpendicular distance is given that 15 centimeter. So by using using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square, 8 square and plus 15 square. What we get this, students? Why I am going to find that? Because this length is BC is not given. If BC is not given, then you cannot find the area of this region. So that's why we are going to find this. So BC square is equal to 8 square 64, 15 square 225. Okay, so check this one. So 225. If we add this one, 9, 6 to 8, 289 BC square is equal to then BC is equal to root 289. So and this is the square root of 17. 17 into 17. 289. So you will get this one, 17 centimeter is the value of BC. You will get this hypotenuse is equal to 17 centimeter. Now the area of a triangle, after that I am going to find that the area. Okay, I am going to erase this one. Area of right angle triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 base multiplied by perpendicular. Okay, so 1/2 base is a 8 and perpendicular is a 15. If you multiply this way, 8 is cancelled out by 2, 4 is multiplied by 15, you will get this 60 centimeter square is the area of a whole region. A right angle triangle is that ABC. A is a right angle, so whole area you will get that 60 centimeter square. Now the area of this region, unshaded region, no? Then after the area, now in triangle BDC, now in triangle BDC, BC is equal to base, and this one is given that 17 centimeter, and DE is equal to height, it is given that 4 centimeter. So area area of triangle BDC is equal to 1 by 2 base multiply by height. 1 by 2, 4 multiply by 17. Base is 17, height is a 4. So cancel out this 4 by 2. So you, in this case, you will get this 34. 17 to the 34 centimeter square is the area of this region. Area of this region, you will get this 34 centimeter square, and total area is 60 centimeter square. So area of a shaded region. Now, hence the area of a shaded region. Hence area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle BDC. Area of a triangle BDC. Area of a whole triangle is 60 and area of a triangle BDC is 34. If you subtract this one from 10 minus 4, 6, and from 5 minus 3, you will get this 2. 26 centimeter square is the area of this shaded portion. Area of this shaded portion is 26 centimeter square, students. Same as it is, you can try this question number. Second one, find the total area of this figure. Okay, 25 is multiplied by 2, it is a rectangle, students. And then after you will find that the area of all this 4 figure which is inside. First one is a triangle, hypotenuse and perpendicular is given. You can find the base and then you will find the area of this triangle. Second one is a equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Then you know that the formula under root 3 by 4 a square. You can put the value of root 3 also, 1.732. Okay, and then you will find the area of this figure also. Third one is also a right angle triangle. Its hypotenuse is given, perpendicular is given, or base is given. You can find that the base. Okay, then after you will find the area of this figure also. And the fourth one is a square. You know that the area of a square is side multiplied by side. Add all that 4 areas which is inside this rectangle and subtract from the total area. You will get that the area of the shaded region. Same as it is that third part also. 6 plus 6, 12, and 4 plus 8. It is a rectangle, students, and there is a in corner, 2 opposite corner, that is given that a right angle triangle. So find that the area of these 2 triangle and subtract it from the total area. Total area is 6 plus 6, 12. 12 is multiplied by 8, that is 96. From 96 you will subtract 12 2 times, means 24. From 96 if you subtract 24, you will get this 72 centimeter square. So I think it is very easy. So try the remaining part of this exercise with yourself, students.